Talking on the phone in English. Telephone related phrasal verbs by ifactner. Break up. I didn't get you. You are breaking up. I didn't get you. You are breaking up. Break up. Call back. I'm busy at the moment. I will call you back. I am busy at the moment. I'll call you back. Call back. Call. I'm calling my boss. I am calling my boss. Call. Call up. She called him up to tell him the good news. She called him up to tell him the good news. Call up. Cut off. We were cut off. We were cut off. Cut off. Get back to you. I'm going to check it and get back to you in an hour. I am going to check it and get back to you in an hour. Get back to you. Get off. I just got off the phone with her. I just got off the phone with her. Get off. Get through. I couldn't get through John. I couldn't get through John. Hang on. Hang on. I'm connecting you to the customer services department. Hang on. I'm connecting you to the customer services department. Hang on. Hang up. Why did you hang up? Why did you hang up? Hang up. Hold on. Hold on. I'm checking your details. Hold on. I am checking your details. Hold on. Pick up. Why were you not picking up my call? Why were you not picking up my call? Pick up. Put through. Put me through to the manager. Put me through to the manager. Put through. Speak up. Please speak up a little bit. Please speak up a little bit. Speak up. Turn on. You can turn on your mobile phones. You can turn on your mobile phones. Turn on. Turn off. Turn off your phones. Turn off your phones. Pass on. Please pass on my message to him. Please pass on my message to him. Phone in. I phoned in to file a complaint. I phoned in to file a complaint. Phone in. Switch on. Don't switch on your phone. Don't switch on your phone. Switch on. Switch off. I'm switching off my phone. I am switching off my phone.